Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn internet marketing. First, grasp the fundamental principles of digital marketing. This includes understanding search engine optimization, social media strategies, and email campaigns. Next, focus on practical application through real-world projects. Consistent learning and adapting to new trends are key for success in this dynamic field. You'll build a strong foundation for your marketing journey. To excel, you'll need to develop specific skills and become familiar with essential tools. Start by mastering search engine optimization techniques and using tools like Google Analytics. Content creation, including writing and visual design, is also crucial. Furthermore, understanding data analysis helps you optimize campaigns for better results. These skills are vital for any successful internet marketer. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They are super handy for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Applying what you learn is paramount. Begin by launching a small personal project, perhaps a blog or a social media page, to test strategies. Consider seeking internships or volunteer opportunities to gain practical experience. Networking with industry professionals can also open doors and provide valuable insights. Continuous learning and adaptation are essential for long-term growth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.